Christy Vanover from Girls Can Grill. Today we're cooking with Cowboy charcoal and we're gonna make grilled Jamaican jerk chicken sandwiches. I've got 2 chicken breasts here. When you buy your chicken breast from the store, you wanna buy it with the rib meat in. If you go to the grocery, you've probably seen chicken breasts and chicken tenders. Well, chicken tenders are the little strips that are right under the breast. It's this piece right here. That's the part that all the kids love. Well, when you're cooking this, you actually wanna buy the meat with the ribs still in there, with those tenders still in there. The reason for that is that's gonna make our chicken a lot more even. If you buy the chicken breasts that don't have that rib meat in there, then you're gonna get a really skinny piece here and it's gonna make your grilling uneven. We're gonna cut these in half because this is really big for one whole sandwich. So if we cut it in half, that's the perfect size for our buns. Got 1 piece there. And 2 more pieces right there. Now we're gonna season this on both sides with some Jamaican jerk seasoning. Jamaican jerk seasoning has a little bit of sweetness, a lot of heat, and some fresh herbs, usually some pimento leaves. Because there is some spice in this dish, we're gonna top everything off on the end with some blue cheese. I love blue cheese. If you're not a fan of blue cheese, you can also use ranch. But that creamy dressing is really gonna cut through the spiciness. All right, let's take these over to the grill. All right, I've got my grill set up. We've got a direct heat zone. It's about 350 to 375 degrees. I've got some wood chunks on here. That's the hickory. It's starting to smoke, which is gonna give us some great flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the grill top side down. The reason for that is it gives us a prettier look once we give them a flip. Straight on, close the lid, and we're gonna cook them for several minutes until we start to see a nice color. We got some char on these. It's time to give them a flip. All right, we're gonna put some sauce on these. This is a Jamaican jerk barbecue sauce. If you can't find Jamaican jerk barbecue sauce, another thing that you can do is use regular barbecue sauce and add a little bit of Jamaican jerk seasoning. Or you may have better luck finding Jamaican jerk marinade. You can also use that and mix that with some barbecue sauce. You always wanna add your barbecue sauce towards the end of the cook. The reason for that is because if you add it too soon, it will start to burn before your chicken's actually all the way cooked through. All right, we're gonna let that keep cooking to an internal temp of 165. The smaller pieces are gonna cook a lot faster than those thicker pieces. So if one of your smaller pieces is done, just move it to a cooler side of the grill until everything else is finished cooking. All right, our grilled Jamaican jerk chicken is all ready. Everything's reached the proper internal temp. We're gonna take it off the grill and build this sandwich. I'm using brioche buns. These are really nice and soft. They're a little bit eggy. We're gonna start with a big pile of shredded iceberg lettuce. We're gonna go a little heavy on the toppings because remember, I mentioned earlier, this grilled chicken is a little bit spicy because of that Jamaican jerk seasoning. Got some red onions, and then take one of these beautiful chicken breasts, put that right on top, and then this is where you have an option. You can either do blue cheese dressing or ranch dressing. I like blue cheese. I really like the contrast that you get with the jerk and the blue cheese flavor. You can go heavy because again, this is a indulgent sandwich. Blue cheese crumbles. If you're going with ranch and you don't want blue cheese crumbles, you can use any other type of shredded cheese or just leave it without cheese. That's an option as well. All right, you guys ready to dig into this sandwich? Isn't that an amazing sandwich? It's like you went to a restaurant, but you made it at home in your own backyard. Let's take a bite. I'm Christy Vanover from Girls Can Grill. You can get this whole recipe on our website. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. And as always, keep cooking with Cowboy.